I'm Sandy Willis, and this is Molly Maid of South Silicon Valley.
And I'm Bill Willis, and we are co-owners of the business. When we were looking for a new business, this one looked intriguing because of the hours and sort of the benefits that we could provide to our customers. We've always had a maid service. We knew what benefit that provided to us in terms of not having to spend our time cleaning the house. So we thought that it would be a good service to get into.
We clean houses on a regular basis, weekly, alternate weekly, or every 4 weeks. We also do occasional cleanings for like move-in, move-out cleanings, and we do like someone's having a party and they need a cleaning before a party or after a party, or they just want a spring cleaning. We do cleanings like that as well. Normally when we clean a house, we go in and we do from top to bottom. We'll dust high for cobwebs, we'll dust all your furniture, we'll clean in the showers, we clean inside the shower walls, the glass doors, the tub, the toilet, mirror, sink, and floor, and sanitize everything. Kitchens, we clean outside of all the cabinetry, outside of all the appliances. We clean countertops, sinks, tables, and sweep and mop your floors. We'll dust all your furniture, vacuum carpets, sweep and mop your hardwood floors or tile floor. We try to really focus on quality. When you want regular service, we go out and do a free in-home estimate so we can customize the cleaning the way you want and get the service that you're expecting.
When you go with a Molly Maid, we definitely carry all the insurances and follow all the guidelines and state and local regulations that we have to. We do training, we do retrainings, we have quality managers that go out, and so we try to stay on top of it. It's great for our team, and it's also great for our customers because we do provide a valuable service. Most of our customers are two-income families, so both people are working and they just don't want to spend the time cleaning their house when they have free time. They have kids usually, so they want to spend the weekends with their kids and they don't want to clean the house, and it's just a nice service that we can provide our customers. We can free up their time so they can spend it how they really want to spend it.